How long will this go on?
Forever.
How long is forever?
I don't know. A zillion years.
What's a zillion years?
Forever. Until we get tired of eating grapes.
What do we do when we get tired eating grapes?
Well, I guess we could eat peaches.
Adam.
Uh-oh.
Now what?
Look at the shadows. It's late. I've got to get back to my naming.
I'll be so glad when he gets to the Z's. Maybe next time we could have apples? Big, red apples. Put it here if we can't have any. Why shouldn't we eat it? Looks all right to me.
You said a mouthful, kid.
Who are you?
I'm a snake.
An animal?
Well, I've been called that in my better moments.
What did you call yourself again?
A snake. S-N-A-K-E.
How do you know? Adam hasn't gotten to the S's yet.
I subscribe to Field and Stream. You married?
I'm supposed to be.
Well, you don't sound very happy about it.
Well, I'm lonely.
Lonely, huh? Your husband work a lot?
He's naming animals. And when he isn't doing that, he's tending the garden or talking to God or something.
Sounds like he keeps himself pretty busy.
Too busy for me.
Would you like a taste of this fruit?
I can't.
Oh, you have an allergy. You get a strawberry rash or something like that?
No, it isn't that. We're not supposed to.
Who says you're not supposed to?
I'm sure I don't know. Adam gets the word. He just passes it along to me.
That's not very polite of him. It sounds like he takes you for granted.
I guess that's the way married life goes.
I guess that's the way the old fig leaf falls.
Is it good?
Delicious. You know, I know why you're not supposed to eat of this tree.
You do?
Because it's not an ordinary tree.
Really?
Caterpillar? Chipmunk? I'm still not up to you.
from that tree, and you're dead, man, you're dead. That was the rule.
But they didn't die. They had broken God's law. They had committed the sin of disobedience. But God, in His mercy, spared them.
Can't you hurry? Will you stop playing?
Will you get something that'll burn? What are you doing? I said something that'll burn.
Oh, wood.
That would be nice.
There. Adam,
What?
what is that?
Oh, for Pete!
Now, why didn't you think of that in the first place? You've invented the chimney. You're all muddy.
What makes you think so?
I like you clean or muddy. But maybe you better go out in the rain for a while first.
Knit one, purl two.
What the devil are you doing?
Knit one, purl two.
Booties? For who?
For you.
For me?
Sure. Since you didn't think about it, now that Adam has eaten of the forbidden fruit, he's going to see women in, shall we say, a much different light.
And?
And I want his children, one way or another. Here, the heel is turned, you take the ball.
I wonder if he'll ever forgive us.
What are you doing?
Well, just don't stand there. Aren't you going to help me?
To help you what?
Move this.
Move it?
Yes, dear.
Where?
Over in, that corner.
What for?
It will look nicer there.
This
Yes.
would look nicer.
Well, it doesn't look right here.
It's a boulder.
It is not. It's something to sit on.
If there's anything I hate, it's early Stone Age furniture. That looks nicer.
Well, I don't know. Maybe it would look better over there.
Oh, come on.
Well, if we're going to live here, we might as well make it look presentable.
What are you going to do, throw a party?
Oh, all right. All right. If you have no pride.
Pride? Pride about what? It's a cave.
It is not. It's going to be our home.
Some home. A tract cave.
All right. Go ahead, say it.
Say what?
Say it's my fault. I put us here, didn't I?
I'm going to go get us something to eat.
No! You want to say it. You want to say it's my fault. Go ahead. I put us here, didn't I? Well, say it.
All right, you want me to say it? I'll say it. You put us here.
All right, you said it. Oh, I knew you couldn't resist saying it.
You know you're awful pretty when you're mad. Oh, come on, honey, let's not fight.
What are you doing?
I'm kissing you.
You never kissed me like that before.
Well, I never saw you mad before.
I hate the mushy parts.
Oh, Eve.
What did you call me?
Eve?
Is that my name?
Yes. That's your name.